Feeling bloated, tired, or sluggish? The answer might be celery juice. In today's video, let's talk about why drinking celery juice every morning is transforming lives, backed by the book Celery Juice by Anthony William. Celery juice is made by juicing fresh celery stalks. Nothing added, just pure green power. It's not a trend, it's a healing tool. Here are some of the incredible benefits. Digestive healing. Celery juice boosts hydrochloric acid in your stomach, helping break down food more efficiently. Reduces bloating and gas. It clears out toxins from the digestive tract. Supports liver detox. Helps flush out viruses, heavy metals, and other toxins. Anti-inflammatory. Great for people with autoimmune issues, joint pain, and chronic inflammation. Balances the body's pH. Its mineral salts restore alkaline balance. Improves skin health. Say goodbye to acne, eczema, and dull skin. Boosts mental clarity and energy. It's like a natural energy drink. Without the crash. Juice, only celery, nothing else. Not even lemon or apple. Drink 16 ounces, about 470 milliliters, every morning on an empty stomach. Wait 15 to 30 minutes before eating or drinking anything else. Organic celery is best, but wash thoroughly if using regular. Start with a small amount if your digestion is sensitive. Consistency matters. Daily intake brings the best results. Use a juicer for best texture, but Blender Plus strainer also works. Celery juice isn't a magic pill, but it's a powerful step toward healing and vitality.